Okay, everything's up.
You gonna try that stupid shit again?
I don't think so.
You're good, up high.
What the hell was that? And you see how it just jumps up?
That was premature takeoff.
Yeah.
See that
Whoa,
shit?
whoa,
Shit,
whoa, 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 whoa.
Dude, keep it going, keep it going.
Did you see that?
Yeah, because it's always stall.
Yeah, but it's just it's going up like way too much. Look at that.
It's going up by itself?
No, even on the takeoff, it was. I noticed that it did that twice.
Dude,
How it just jumped up. That's hands off.
Is it trimmed off?
Yeah, that's hands off. Here, I'll come back and I'll show you hands off. I don't know why it does that on takeoff.
You have flaps or anything?
No, no flaps, nothing. This is hands off.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I know. It's done that twice on takeoff.
That's just weird.
Yeah, twice it's done that on takeoff.
Dude, that stall you had up there, it took it pretty good though. A lot of planes would just drop like a brick.
It is, I know, I see what you're talking about if a light flying plane. It does not fly heavy at all.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You sure your CG is right?
I think so. Well, look. Like I said, dude, this is hands off. Like, look, that's totally. Look at my hands. I'm not even touching the freaking sticks. All the way across the field.
It's just funny how
it just pitches up like that. I know.
it's funny is when you banking, it's like he wants to drag its tail. Like he wants to put the nose up.
Yeah, which is really strange.
That's what that pilot, what is it? Ryan? That's what he doesn't like, the fucking tail heavy plane. That's what he likes to put
Landing flaps.
weight in the nose. You must say fucking it's easy to land that plane.
Okay, so here's my thing. I want to do that again.
You have enough though?
Let's check.
Just
Nah, 22.8. No.